Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm just showing you guys what I'll be using to lay down this wig. So I'm applying the Got To Be gel onto the cap. So right here I'm poking a hole to poke out my ears so I don't glue my ears. I am taking my Got To Be spray and I'm spraying it all on my what is that? My hairline. Yeah, I'm spraying it on my hairline and a little bit further. So I'm letting it dry, and guys, I look so crusty. Oh my god. This wig is from Vibi, Babi here, and this is their loose deep wave. So this hair had like a little weird odd smell, so I didn't understand it. So I just I still put it on like that. So I'm using a foundation and I'm putting it all over inside the wig, and this was a big mistake. So I'm going over again with another layer of the Got To Be spray, then I'm blow drying it. This hair is amazing. Watch me struggle a little bit. So I'm using the Got To Be glue spray to stick the wig in, to melt it into my head. And I'm taking my blow dryer, my ghetto ass blow dryer, to dry it down. Do not come for me, baby girl. So I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and be careful because this glue went into my eye and I almost cried. So right here, I'm cutting the lace. I cut the lace so retardedly. I use kitchen scissors. Then I use a blade. I use all sort of stuff. Even if I had a knife, I would have used the knife. Like, seriously. So my lace is bright because of the foundation, so don't come for me. I'm just wiping away the glue on my forehead, and then I'm doing some baby hairs. I suck at doing baby hairs, so bear with me. Now I take my hot comb to kind of like flatten down the front. I'm parting my hair to the side because I'm always doing the middle part, but here I am trying to fix my part. Then I start spraying some water onto the hair because I wanted to like lay that part. So that's what I'm doing. So since the lace is kind of like brighter than me, we're gonna fix it. So don't skip this video. Keep watching because miracles do happen. Taking the hot comb again. I'm spraying some water, then I add my Got To Be glue spray. After tying the hair, I take a dark concealer to go over the lace and my camera fell. This is the ending result. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.